Operating in a dark garage is a massive safety hazard that makes precision automotive work nearly impossible. Upgrading your workshop lighting is the absolute fastest way to improve your overall productivity and transform your mechanical environment into a professional workspace. You must eliminate old incandescent bulbs and heavy fluorescent fixtures that cast deep shadows across your engine bay. Replacing these outdated systems with modern high-lumen LED shop lights guarantees perfect visibility when you are handling delicate electrical connectors or small hardware. The standard requirement for a serious home workshop is lighting calibrated at 5,000 Kelvin. This specific color temperature replicates natural daylight and prevents the harsh yellow glare that causes severe eye strain during those long, late-night rebuilding sessions. Installation takes less than 5 minutes because modern LED fixtures do not require complex hard wiring into your electrical panel. These linkable light bars come with simple plug and play connectors that string directly into your existing standard ceiling outlets. Always position your primary light source directly over the front edge of your heavy-duty workbench. This strategic placement ensures that your body will never block the illumination while you are inspecting intricate carburetor components or cleaning dirty engine parts. Take control of your garage environment right now and mount those brilliant white fixtures securely to the ceiling joists. Excellent visibility is the foundation of high-quality repair work and the ultimate upgrade for any serious American DIY mechanic.